guys, I'm Faye and welcome to today's video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Phaye Mailu and welcome to my channel. I know today's look is different from what I usually do. I'm usually all glammed up and today I decided to do a simple eyeshadow look. So I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. So follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, they're both at Phaye Mailu. With that being said, let's just jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so now I'm going to prime my eyelids and I'm using the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer. And the eyeshadow look that I'm going to be doing today is very simple. I'm going for a natural look, yeah. And I'm going to use my finger to just blend it out. So for my first eyeshadow shade, I'm taking the shade Bronzed, which is this shade right here. It's a very light brown shade. So I'm going to take that shade, I'm going to put it on the outer part of my eye. So I'm just repeating that on this other eye. So I'm going to take a black eye pencil and I'm going to draw on my eyeliner. Today is such a gloomy day and I'm supposed to go out and it's just so gloomy. It looks so cold, but hopefully by the time I'm done with my makeup the sun will be out. I'm just hoping, because like there's a big window right like in front of me, so I'm just looking outside and it's so gloomy. Anyways, yeah, let me do my eyeliner. So I'm going to hold this because I need the mirror really close to my face. Just to make my eyeliner more vibrant, I'm going to take the shade Midnight, which is the black. So let me put on some lashes and then we can get into doing my foundation. Okay, I'm going to start with contouring and I'm using the Elegant Pro Concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit-Me foundation. I'm going to highlight with the Maybelline Fit-Me concealer. So the next thing, I'm going to put on some blush. So I'm going to set my face. Okay, so now let me put on some highlight. So this is the finished look for today's tutorial. Actually, I'm sorry if you guys can hear the birds. Yeah, I can't control that, so I'm sorry. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And while you're subscribing, click on the bell icon so that you can get notified the next time I upload. If you found this video helpful, share it. Also, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. They're both at Phaye Mailu. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Till next time. Bye!